Welcome students. Welcome to lecture number 8. In this lecture, I will discuss addition and subtraction of matrices. That how can we add or subtract two or more than two matrices. So the first topic is confirmability for addition and subtraction of matrices. That is how you will know that the matrices are conformable for addition or subtraction. So according to definition, two matrices are conformable for addition or subtraction if and only if the order of both matrices are same. That is, if you want to add two matrices, first of all you will see that the order of two matrices are same or not. If the order is same, you can add the two matrices, and if the order of two matrices are not same, you cannot add them or subtract them. For example, if you look at the three matrices here, A, B and C, if you look at first matrix and second matrix, the order is same, 1 2 2 rows and 2 columns. Here also 2 rows and 2 columns. But in third matrix, the rows are 2 but the columns are more than 2, the columns are 3. So here we can add A and B, or we can subtract A and B, but we cannot add this matrix A with matrix C or B matrix with C, or we cannot find out the subtraction of A to C or B to C. Here A and B are conformable for addition and subtraction, and here A and C are not conformable. Also B and C is also not conformable. Okay, now how you can find out the addition of two matrices? We can find out the addition of two matrices very easily. How? By adding corresponding elements. If you have to find out the addition of two matrices, you have to add all the corresponding elements. What are corresponding elements? Corresponding elements means if you want to add these two matrices, this is matrix A and this is matrix B. These are square matrix and order is 2 cross 2. If we have to add these two matrices A and B, first of all we will write A plus B is equal to first matrix plus second matrix, and in third step we will add the corresponding elements. How? Corresponding elements mean the first element will add with first element of second matrix, second element will add with second, third element, fourth, 3 plus 2, 2 plus 1, 1 plus 3, 4 plus 6, and if you will add this 5, 3, 4, 10, this is the sum. And the order of solution and the both two matrices will be same. This is 2 cross 2 matrix, this is 2 cross 2 matrix, and this is also 2 cross 2 matrix. The next topic is subtraction of two matrices. This is also same like this. We can also find out the difference of two matrices by also subtracting the corresponding elements, and also the order of two matrices must be same in addition and in also subtraction. The order of two matrices will be same. If you look at the example, we have matrix A and here we have matrix B. If we have to find out the subtraction, for example, we want to find out A minus B, then we will write first matrix minus second matrix. And if the examiner said to find out B minus A, then you have to write the second matrix in first and place the first matrix in second. So in A minus B, we have to write out matrix A minus matrix B. So the corresponding elements will be subtracted. For example, first element 3 minus this second, 3 minus 4, 8 minus 0, 4 minus 1, 6 minus, and the fourth or last element is minus 9. So we have to write down it in parentheses. Why? This sign will be changed. 3 minus 4 is negative 1, 8 minus 0 is 8, 4 minus 1 is 3, and 6 minus and 2 minus is plus 9. So in the last step we have to add these two numbers, and the answer is 15. -1, 8, 3, 15. And the last topic of today's lecture is multiplication of a matrix by a real number. How we will multiply any real number with any matrix. According to definition, let A be any matrix of any order. A is any matrix. It can be square matrix or rectangular matrix. And K is any real number. And K is a real number. A real number may be positive, may be negative, may be 0. If we have to find out the product of matrix by this real number K, if we want to find out the product of K with this matrix A, we have to multiply each element of matrix A by this real number. That is, if you want to find out a product of real number with matrix, you have to multiply each and every element of the matrix with that real number. For example, we have a matrix A. It's a general matrix. The elements are A, B, C, D, and K is a real number. If you want to find out Ka means the product of real number with matrix. What we have to do? We will find out the product. Ka is equal to K is real number and this is matrix. This K will multiply with each and every element of this matrix. The elements are A, AK, B, BK, C, CK, G, T. For example, one live example. For example, you have a matrix, this 3, 2, 1, 4, and you have to multiply this matrix with 5. What you will do? 5C is equal to 5 multiplied by that matrix 3, 2, 1, 4. Now what you will do? 5C is equal to this 5 will multiply with each and every element. 3 into 5, 2 into 5, 1 into 5, and 4 into 5. Now 5C will be 3 5s are 15, 2 5s are 10, 5 1 is 5, and 4 5s are 20. This is the solution. 5 is a real number and C is matrix. So if you want to find out the product of real number with any matrix, you have to multiply with each and every element of that matrix. Hope you enjoy this channel. Please share this channel and comment in comment section. And in next lecture number 10, I will discuss some further topics, and in next or in few next videos I will discuss the exercise of 1.3. I will discuss each and every questions of my exercise 1.3. Okay, thanks.